So Generate is probably the largest AI database of tools that you could ever find online, from AI for mental health, business tools, teachers tools, image generation tools, and listing kind of tools, Amazon, YouTube, all of the different types of tools. To get started, you can either search using this button here and find an AI tool, like let's just type a rewrite tool, just for an example. And then you have that the rewriter is in 2 categories, and it will rewrite your text perfectly. So to get started, you just press this red button and it will add it to your account, of course, once you have a membership. The amount of tools in this package are a lot, and we keep adding more tools. One of the amazing tools is Book in a Click, creates an entire book in a single click. And there's a regular ChatGPT here. That way, if you become a member, you don't have to have a ChatGPT account as well. You'll be able to chat directly with ChatGPT free of charge using this. Of course, that's only if you get a membership. We have a free trial available. And why do we recommend this? Because once you get an app like this, you can actually add as many apps as you need. And then in your admin panel, you will find that all of your apps are ready to be used. Now, the amazing thing is that some of these apps are mind-blowing, meaning let's just give you an example here of the chatbot creator. Using this, you'll be able to create a chatbot, which basically is one of those little chatbots that you have on the bottom right of your website. If you have a look here, the bottom right, where you can chat to the customer service, and you can, of course, program it how you want. Your goal is to demonstrate how well you can sell yourself. You should tell the client that they will be able to provide you with custom data, etc. You'll be able to try this actually on our website if you go to the all the apps page, or if you go to the business page. You'll be able to see the AI chatbot creator over here on the left. And you can actually try it yourself and talk to the Mr. Chatbot example. It actually will send you a message just as you arrive on this page, and it will start telling you why you should order this kit. Hello, member. My name is Mr. Chatbot example, and I am a chatbot creating using Generate AI. So that's just another one of the apps on this website, but really the list is endless. If I click on show all right now, you'll see how many apps we have. We've got an art generator which can generate art without prompting. To add it to your account, you click on start using this app and it will start creating art for you. I'll just give you some examples of art that it can create. Just down here. It's just, it can generate art for royalty-free art. Also, there's a whole entire image generation app tools in this button here. You've got coloring book pages. If you're into Amazon KDP and coloring books, it can create coloring book pages or partially colored pages. You just add this to your account by pressing this. Okay, so this was the example of this. To become a member, you click free trial or price list, and then you can decide what package you want. We recommend you can start with the free account, and then as you get more comfortable, you can either purchase more credits by clicking here, or just get a monthly membership that gives you 300 pro credits, which you can use on all of the apps. If you're really serious about generating content, we have an amazing deal right now. It's only $99. 5,000 pro credits, but at the time you're watching this, it's 5,000. It may go down to 4,000 or 3,000. It's just we're being generous, as of course we're only just launched a month ago, and so we're being very generous right now. Of course, this is commercial use is allowed. Thank you for watching, and see you at the members area over here. If you need information how to get started, just click this video here and we'll explain everything. Thank you for watching. This was generate.net. Bye for now.